Juno project is a NASA mission that was launched in August of
What is that
2011.
mess you made on me?
We used our
Sonny,
instruments to learn about Jupiter's
what's the
formation
mess?
and other solar
What do
systems
you
around
want?
us.
Oh my goodness. What do you want?
But the Lego system was not
Why
just
do you want me to
part of the
pet you
design
so much?
process.
Hmm?
We're on board.
Why do you want me to pet
NASA
you so
engineers
much, you little
routed
bird?
3 aluminum friends of mine to the
Such a
hull of the Juno
bird.
spacecraft.
What's that little
The
birdie
3D
do?
figures are modeled after
This little bird?
Galileo, scientists,
What's he
Jupiter
do?
the god, and the
What's
goddess
that birdie
Juno.
do?
They're attached to the main
What's the
core of
bird?
spacecraft. They were made by
Hi,
the
bird.
Lego company to NASA
Hi, bird.
specifications of a special
Hi,
spacecraft
bird.
grade aluminum. Sometimes I
Hey,
imagine,
bird.
what are they seeing in their voyage?
Look, it's cute and
See
squishy.
this incredible view. In fact,
It
they're
loves
seeing the view
pets.
that we all want to see.
It's cute and squishy and it loves
We're living
pets.
vicariously through these Lego minifigures. They represent humanity in many ways.
What a little fluffy bird.
Almost everything
Look, it's little birdie beard. Hi, birdie beard.
like an atom or a molecule.
Hi, birdie beard.
For me, Lego represents
Oh my goodness.
building blocks